Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous paper cherry blossom shaker envelope or money wrap, and this is looking absolutely stunning. I have just inspired by nature by seeing beautiful spring cherry blossom flowers around my location, and I have tried to create paper cherry blossoms, and to put it somewhere I have created money wrap. And you can just open the money wrap like this. I have put money inside this, and without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking 120 GSM white color cardstock, folded this on half, created 4 cm diameter circle on this. So I am taking 2 layers together and cutting both the layers together. So start cutting the circles quickly. Then I am dividing this in 5 equal parts using pencil marking. Then we have to cut on these markings from outer sides towards the center. Don't cut it till the center, just halfway of this. And then shaping each petal from the corner in curved petal like this from both the sides. And then in the center I am cutting a small V shape to give nice Sakura flower look. And both the flowers are ready. Then it's time to color this. So I am taking here light pink watercolor, just spreading it nicely on the flowers. Then taking one piece of tissue paper, just folded it nice to create thick base. Put your flower on top of this, and using my quilling tool I am just making groove on each petal to give it nice natural effect. We have to just make emboss effect on this, on each petal. Here I am creating baby pink cherry blossoms. Then from other side I am pinching it exactly in the center using backside of paintbrush, and this is done. Similarly I am going to emboss other flower. Now to add pollens inside the flower, here I am taking bunch of yellow color pollens which have red tip on this. Taking total 12 pollens and wrapping one thread around the neck of these pollen bunch, creating some knots and adding glue on this whole pollen bunch from bottom to make it stiff. Then taking both the flowers again and creating whole tweezers, pointed tweezer or any needle, layering both the flowers together like this. We have to off center the petals so that both the layers will be visible. Put it on your palm again and pinch in the center to give it little depth. Then taking my flower pollen again, add little glue on the neck area and pass it through the flowers, and the super cute cherry blossom is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more already and one more in a smaller size. And the bunch will look like this. So pretty. And I'm just showing you the inspiration from which I got the idea to create paper flowers. And I think I have justified it a little bit. Now to create buds, here I am taking half strip of dark pink color in 2 mm and making one tight teardrop shape or tight leaf shape, and making a dome inside this. Add glue inside the dome. All the buds of pink cherry blossoms have nice dark pink shade. They are not faded. So here I am using dark pink strip. Now taking one wire pollen, and around this I am sticking total 3 petals like this, tucking it inside each other, and the bud is ready. Similarly, I have already prepared some more in different shades of pinks. So this is done. Then to create envelope, here I am taking pink color cardstock, which is 22 by 21 centimeters. This is having 250 GSM thickness. From top I have creased at 7 centimeters and 16 centimeters, and from left and right sides I have creased at 1 centimeters each. Now we have to make some cuts. So here from the bottom I am just cutting on the crease part like this till the center part. Make a diagonal cut. Similarly repeating it on remaining 3 corners. And then folding all the crease parts and burnish it nicely. Then just adding little glue and constructing the envelope. So the beautiful and very easy pink envelope is done. Then I am just decorating this with beautiful pattern paper and before sticking it, don't forget to add the ribbon in the bottom. So here I am taking pink satin ribbon. It should be in the center, so measuring it using ruler and then sticking the cardstock nicely. And then on other side also I am connecting the ribbon. And covering it using white color cardstock completely, because I am going to work on this side. So adding glue on this flap and connecting white cardstock, which is having the same measurement as the envelope size. And the inner part I will cover later using pattern paper, so don't worry about these dual tones. Then I am attaching one beautiful cherry blossom printed pattern paper on this. Then to make shaker window, here I am taking 18 by 8 cm white cardstock. From all 4 sides I have created the border using 1 cm margin, and then we just need to cut this inner window using paper cutter. And the window for shaker card is ready. Then I have attached double-sided tacky tape on all 4 sides, so just removing the liners and sticking one piece of acetate sheet on top of this. You can use OHP sheet as well. Then on top of this I am adding one more layer of double-sided tape, so just removing the liners and putting 2 mm thick cardboard strips on all 4 sides. These are 0.7 mm in thickness. Like this. Now it's time to fill our shaker window with lots of elements like flower pearls or some small sequences. So it's all up to you how you want to fill your shaker window. And then I am just adding lots of glue on the border, just covering it nicely and spreading it with my fingers so that it will have even glue on all four sides. And then carefully sticking my envelope on top of this. Just burnish it nicely with bone folder and our beautiful shaker window is ready. It's working perfectly fine. Then in the center I am adding this beautiful die cutout, which is made using pink and white cardstock. Actually this is the half die only, so I have added two pieces together to make some complete oval shaped design. Then in the center I am adding one white oval shaped cutout to put the sentiment. It's looking very beautiful. Then since the white frame is looking very blank, so I am putting some baby pink acrylic color dots using backside of paintbrush on this to match with the envelope base. Then on the edge of the oval shape I am adding these very small 3 mm half cut pearls. I am keeping left corner as it is without adding pearls because we are going to arrange flowers on this, so it's not needed. And then adding the hello die cutout in the center. You can also write any message using brush pens. Now taking back my flower, cutting the excess pollen thread from backside, and since the base is made using acetate sheet, so here I am using Fevicol glue to stick my flowers. You can also use glue gun or B6000 or 7000 glue to stick the flowers permanently. So first I am arranging all my flowers. I have also cut some fillers using different dies, and all the supply links are given in description box. If you want to purchase any die which I am using today, you can check the link in the description box. And also don't forget to check out the coupon code for different websites to have extra discounts. And now you can watch my videos in Hindi language also. So you can select the language as Hindi to see my videos. I'm tucking my buds also here and there, and the beautiful arrangement is done. Now at the end I am putting this beautiful butterfly cutout in one corner, which I have colored using pink and orange shade. And this is looking absolutely gorgeous. Then here and there I have just randomly added some water droplets, and also I have stuck some small pearls on the petal of flowers, so it will have nice shabby chic look. Now inside the wrap I have decorated with same die using white cardstock, putting the money quickly. And on back side of the envelope also I have decorated with small die cutout. Now quickly tying the knot, and our gorgeous floral money wrap or money envelope or Shagun envelope is ready. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.